Hi everyone! Welcome to our video for today. At ngayong araw na nga ito ay pag-uusapan natin yung mga iba't ibang tips on how to start your freelancing career o yung tinatawag nilang virtual assistant. So certainly, ang virtual assistant role is very exciting and challenging role for everyone. Lalong-lalo na kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang or nag-shift ka pa lang ng career mo from office work or galing ka sa isang BPO company and then you want to shift dahil napapagod ka na mag-travel at gusto mo na lang magtrabaho sa bahay. Very challenging talaga ang pagiging virtual assistant. So, ang practical tips na pwede kong maipayo sa inyo if you want to start your virtual assistant career or freelancing career is, number one, you have to master your time management. So, time management is very important and working remotely is very challenging and dapat excellent ka sa time management skills na to. Kasi you have to prioritize task and hindi ka lang naman kukuha ng isang client once you are a virtual assistant like me. So, 2 o 3 sa isang araw yung gagawin mong task for your client. So, para different client kasi yan, so you have to make sure kailangan efficient ka talaga. Alright? So, number 2, communicate clearly and regularly with your client. Ang effective communication, kahit sa ang relationship yan, is very important. Family and of course, sa mga client. Kailangan keep your client updated palagi sa mga ginagawa mo and you have to use different types of communications channels such as emails, video calls, pwedeng chat. Sobrang dami na ngayon na pwede nating magamit in communication. Number 3 is tech-savvy skills. So, familiarize yourself with the different software like project management software, time tracking tools, communication platforms, and productivity apps. So, being proficient dito sa mga tools na to will help streamline your workflow and impress your clients. 4, you have to develop a strong organizational skill. So, since you will be juggling with different clients and multiple tasks, kailangan strong iyong organizational habits. So, kasi crucial ito. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng system for filing the documents and mag-set ka ng standardized process for your repetitive tasks, ma-maintain mo yung iyong productivity or mas mabuboost mo to and also make it easier for you to handle an increased workload if ever dumami naman yung iyong client. Next is, of course, you have to continue learning and adapt the technology. So, ang virtual assistant world or landscape is constantly evolving. Iba-iba yung nagiging trends niya. Hindi siya katulad ngayon. Dati walang AI. Ngayon meron ng AI. Kailangan you have to be updated with the industry, news, mag-attend ka ng mga webinars, and mag-continue ka mag-refine ng iyong skills. Be adaptable and willing to learn. Kasi iba-iba na tayo. Every now and then, nag-evolve ang ating technology at nagkakaroon ng mga different apps. So, kailangan keep updated. And finally, you have to be ready. So, maging ready ka sa mga challenges na haharapin mo kasi itong virtual assistant and freelancing is very, very different for yung mga nagwo-work na outside o yung mga nagko-commute outside. Alright? So, kung meron kang natutunan sa video na to, like, share, and comments ka lang para mas ganahan pa ako mag-share sa inyo ng mga video na katulad nito.